Welcome to our wellness series, where we explore natural ways to enhance men's vitality and stamina. Today, we're diving into the surprising benefits of two common ingredients, coffee and garlic. Coffee, a morning ritual for many, offers more than just a caffeine kick. It's a powerful stimulant that can significantly boost physical performance. Studies indicate that caffeine can improve endurance, reduce perceived exertion, and enhance focus during exercise, directly contributing to increased stamina. Beyond its immediate effects, coffee also contains antioxidants that support overall cellular health, crucial for sustained energy levels. Now, let's turn our attention to garlic, a culinary staple with remarkable health properties. Garlic is renowned for its ability to improve circulation and cardiovascular health, which are foundational to men's vitality. Its active compounds, like allicin, help relax blood vessels, promoting better blood flow throughout the body. This enhanced circulation can lead to improved energy delivery to muscles and organs, boosting both performance and recovery. Furthermore, garlic possesses anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties, contributing to overall well-being and resilience. Incorporating both coffee and garlic into your diet can be a simple yet effective strategy for enhancing vitality. Remember, moderation is key, and it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. Stay tuned for more insights in our next segment on natural wellness solutions for men. Coffee Garlic, a staple in kitchens worldwide, offers far more than just flavor, especially for men seeking natural vitality and robust health. Its potent compounds have been studied for centuries, revealing significant benefits for both endurance and cardiovascular well-being. For endurance, garlic's ability to improve oxygen delivery to muscles is key, helping to enhance athletic performance by optimizing blood flow. This improvement is largely attributed to garlic's role in increasing nitric oxide production, a vital molecule that relaxes blood vessels. When blood vessels are relaxed, blood flows more freely, ensuring muscles receive the oxygen and nutrients they need during physical exertion. Beyond endurance, garlic is a powerful ally for heart health, actively contributing to a robust and efficient cardiovascular system. Its active compound, allicin, is released when garlic is crushed or chopped, initiating a cascade of beneficial effects. Allicin helps regulate blood pressure by promoting vasodilation, which is the widening of blood vessels, reducing strain on the heart. Furthermore, garlic possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, protecting the delicate lining of blood vessels from damage. This dual action supports overall cardiovascular integrity, reducing the risk of various heart-related issues over time. Incorporating garlic into your diet can be a simple yet powerful step towards enhancing both your physical endurance and long-term heart health. Discover a unique approach to boosting your stamina naturally, combining two everyday ingredients, coffee and garlic. Many cultures have long recognized the individual health benefits of both coffee and garlic, from energy to immune support. Coffee, known for its caffeine, provides an immediate energy boost and enhances focus, making it a popular morning ritual. Garlic, on the other hand, is celebrated for its powerful compounds like allicin, which supports cardiovascular health and immunity. To begin your preparation, select fresh garlic cloves and peel them carefully, ensuring they are clean and ready for use. Next, finely crush or mince the peeled garlic. This step is crucial as it helps release the beneficial compounds. Now, prepare your coffee as you normally would, whether it's a drip brew, French press, or espresso. Once your coffee is ready, add the freshly crushed garlic directly into your hot cup of coffee. Stir thoroughly to ensure the garlic is well distributed. The heat from the coffee will help infuse its properties. For optimal results, consume this unique blend immediately after preparation. Start with a small amount of garlic to assess your tolerance. Remember, moderation is key. While beneficial, excessive consumption of garlic can lead to digestive discomfort. Always listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns. This natural combination offers a novel way to potentially enhance your stamina and overall well-being. Embrace this practical guide to explore the synergistic power of coffee and garlic for a healthier, more energetic you. Welcome to building a lifestyle for long-term stamina and vitality, specifically designed for men seeking sustainable health. Achieving lasting energy and robust health begins with foundational habits that support your body and mind. Prioritize consistent, quality sleep, aiming for 7 to 9 hours each night to allow for optimal physical and mental recovery. Hydration is key. Ensure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day to maintain energy levels and support bodily functions. Incorporate regular physical activity, blending cardiovascular exercises with strength training for comprehensive fitness. Nourish your body with a balanced diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, and essential nutrients to fuel your stamina. Manage stress effectively through practices like meditation, deep breathing, or spending time in nature to protect your mental well-being. Regular checkups with healthcare professionals are crucial for monitoring your health and addressing any concerns proactively. By consistently integrating these habits, you can build a resilient foundation for long-term stamina and vitality. Embrace these lifestyle changes to unlock your full potential and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant life. Welcome to the final chapter on achieving a holistic balance of stamina, energy, and longevity specifically tailored for men. Understanding these three pillars is crucial for a vibrant, fulfilling life, moving beyond quick fixes to sustainable well-being. Stamina isn't just about physical endurance. It encompasses mental resilience and the capacity to sustain effort over time. Regular physical activity, including both cardiovascular exercises and strength training, builds a robust foundation. Beyond the gym, incorporating movement into daily life, like walking or cycling, significantly boosts overall stamina. Energy is the fuel that powers our daily lives, influencing everything from productivity to mood. A balanced diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, and complex carbohydrates provides sustained energy release. Hydration is equally vital. Even mild dehydration can lead to fatigue and reduced cognitive function. Quality sleep is non-negotiable for energy restoration, allowing the body and mind to repair and rejuvenate. Consider the role of natural stimulants like coffee, used mindfully to enhance focus without over-reliance. Longevity is about extending not just years, but also the quality of those years, ensuring vitality into old age. Preventative health measures, including regular checkups and screenings, are foundational to long-term health. Managing stress through mindfulness, meditation, or hobbies can significantly impact cellular aging and overall well-being. Incorporating superfoods like garlic, known for its immune-boosting and cardiovascular benefits, supports longevity. Maintaining strong social connections and a sense of purpose also contributes profoundly to a longer, healthier life. The true power lies in recognizing the interconnectedness of stamina, energy, and longevity. Improving one area often positively impacts the others, creating a virtuous cycle of health. For instance, better sleep enhances energy, which in turn improves your capacity for physical activity and mental focus. This holistic approach means viewing your body as an integrated system where each part supports the whole. It's about making conscious choices daily that contribute to your overall well-being, not just addressing symptoms. Embracing this philosophy empowers you to take control of your health journey, leading to profound and lasting changes. The journey to optimal health is continuous, requiring dedication and adaptability. Small, consistent efforts yield significant results over time, building momentum towards your goals. Remember, seeking professional guidance from healthcare providers and specialists is always a wise step. They can offer personalized advice and support tailored to your unique needs and health profile. By integrating these principles, you're not just living longer, but living better, with enhanced stamina, boundless energy, and a foundation for true longevity. Embrace this holistic path to unlock your full potential and enjoy a life of sustained vitality.